girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar PENTATONIX with a song called Prayers for This World. I think this is originally a song from Cher, made now by PENTATONIX, and a great song, great message about hope and a better world. And yeah, pretty cool song to play as well. We have one strumming pattern, pretty easy chords here. If we put our capo here on the 4th fret, and that is what we're gonna do. So capo on 4th, and we have 5 different chords here to handle. So the chords will be first C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor next, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We move on here with the A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have the G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we have the start here with the C chord. We're going to look at the strumming pattern. We use it many times before in Gordon guitar. It's pretty common and great to learn. So it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that is one round. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is how we do it. So now we're ready for the actual song. And the verse starts here with C, then E minor one time, C one time again, and E minor one time, then A minor one time, D one time, and E minor 2 times. And that is the first verse. So C1, E minor 1, C1, E minor 1. Then A minor 1, D1, and E minor 2. Then comes the first pre-chorus here in the lyrics, the clock is ticking. So here we're gonna have just downs. So you're gonna play A minor 6 downs, then G 2 downs, and C 5 downs plus a pause. And this pause builds up for the chorus that come right after here. So A minor 6, G2, and C5 like this. That's how you do it. A, G, G, C, 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 C. All right? And that leads us to the first chorus and the lyrics, Prayers for This World. So you're going to continue now with the strumming again. And the chord progression here will be D, 1 round, E minor 1 round, C 1 round, and G 1 round. That chord progression, D, E minor, C, G, you're going to play for 3 rounds. And then in the end of the chorus, you're going to play still the strumming, D1, E minor 1, C2. And that shorter chord progression, D, E minor, C2, you're going to play for 2 rounds. So it's a total of 5 rounds here. So I'm going to take you through this. I'm going to play first D, E minor, C, and G for 3 rounds, like this. That is 1 round, so D, E minor, C, G, and 3rd and final round, E minor, C, G, and now it's D, E minor, C, 2 times, again D, E minor, and C. So pretty long chorus there. And then we will start the second verse here, and now it's pretty much repetition, everything here. So it's played in the same way as the first one, and then follows again a third verse, played again in the same way as the previous verses, so nothing changes there. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus. That takes us to the second chorus, and this one is played also in the same way as the first chorus, so nothing changes there. When it comes to bridge part in lyrics, I'm gonna take a chance, okay? So now we have just downs here for this bridge part. So I'm gonna take you through this, and I'm gonna speak meanwhile. So you're gonna play 2 downs on C, then 1 down on D, then 1 down on E minor, and 2 downs on C. Then 1 down on D, then 1 down on E minor, then 4 downs on A minor, and then 4 downs on C. And that is the bridge parts. Then follows just the final part there, the third chorus. It's played in the same way as the previous choruses. The only difference here is that the first 2 chord progression rounds isn't chords at all, actually, because it's just a vocal part. So the first half of it, you can say, is just a vocal, and then it follows with the standard strumming, and you just fulfill the chorus in the same way as you play the other choruses. And that wraps it up for PENTATONIX Prayers for This World. So good luck with this, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Play tuned.